Welcome.
These colorful strokes are the timelines. You can click to select any and read more about it. This one is of HTTP, XML and many more. You can even click on these browser icons to know how these browsers have updated with time. Let's check for Chrome. Release dates are also available. First iPhone released with mobile version of Safari 3. The growth of the internet. From 1 PB to 27,483 PB. Dark theme is also available. This was evolution of the web. Can I use? So here you can check whether you can use any particular application or any software on different browsers, whether those browsers support those applications or not, or softwares. Let's test Canvas. So these are the different browsers that are available with their versions. The green color indicates that the particular browser supports it. Red color indicates that it is not supported. Release date of the browser versions are also available. Gray color states that the support is unknown. Let's type HTML. You can even test that on real browser. Just select the browser and its version and launch. Global usage is also provided. So this was very cool and amazing Can I Use website. So from this side you can test how different browsers work on different devices for up to 1 minute. So these are the different devices and browsers given. So let's see how Safari 5.1 works on Windows 7. So here it is. Now you can explore the different features it has. So now let's check how Chrome works on OnePlus 8, that is Android. So here is your mobile phone. Some other features are also available. You can rotate your device settings, change location, throttle network and others. Now you can try the other ones too and tell your experience in the comments box. Starting Real Safari 12.1 on Mac OS. So this was Browser Stack. Here 40 different maps are given to explain how the internet has evolved with time. How the internet was created. Before the internet there was the ARPANET. The ARPANET expands. The ARPANET goes international and different maps are given here. The internet around the world. How the world gets online. World broadband speed. Domain names. And everything you need to know about the internet is given here. Languages of the world. According to Twitter, you can even zoom this picture just by clicking on it. Here is the picture. So these were the 40 maps that explain the internet. Telegeography Submarine Cable Map HMN text. You can see the fiber optical cable network of the world that run underwater. You can click on any particular cable to know more about it. This one is MAREA, Maria. Cable length 6,605 km. Owners Facebook, Microsoft, Telexius. Landing points in Spain and United States. You can even visit the URL for detailed info. Yellow. Cable length 7,001 km. Owner Lumen. Landing points in United States and United Kingdom. SAFE, safe. Oman Australia cable. Let's check its URL. Sub.co. This one is new, released on 2nd March 2021. So this was submarine cable map. Do tell your experience in comments box. This is the first web page that was created, World Wide Web. The World Wide Web is a wide area hypermedia information retrieval initiative aiming to give universal access to a large universe of documents. But do you know who created it? Yes, Tim Berners-Lee. He published it on August 6, 1991. Thanks for watching the video.